Welcome to Linux Person channel. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about the Red Hat resources. So we will see what are all the different Red Hat resources we have and how we can use to troubleshoot an issue. Collecting information with SOS report. So many times when we work for an issue and when we have troubleshooted lots of things from the server and from our end, but sometimes we do need the support from the Red Hat. So in that case, what we used to do is we usually raise a ticket with the Red Hat and the Red Hat need some SOS report from the server. What is SOS report? So SOS report is nothing but it has a set of scripts that is available on all Red Hat servers, which we need to run it on the server and which will collect all the informations from the servers, and it will create a file that is in tar zip format, and that file you can attach to the ticket so that the Red Hat team engineers they troubleshoot more on this issue. So basically SOS report is a command line that you can find it on all RHEL and CentOS servers, which collects the system configurations and diagnostic informations of your Linux box like running kernel version, loaded modules, and system and service configuration file. Okay. Let me show you how we can collect the SOS report from the Red Hat server, and here I am using the Red Hat version 7. So from this server I am going to collect that one, and before we start executing this command you should verify whether the SOS package is already installed or not. If the package is not installed, kindly try install with the yum command, yum install, then followed by SOS, the package name. Got it? So and I am not going to install this one because I have done that already. And to verify you can use the RPM command with the Q option, then followed by the package name. So here SOS is the package name, then enter. So I'm getting the details of the SOS package followed by the version, so which means the package is already installed. Now let me show you how we can download the SOS report from my server. So the command is SOS report, that's it. Then when you enter, so it will ask you to press the enter key, and if you don't want to download means you can press Ctrl C. Got it? And once it has successfully downloaded all the report, and the log will get saved under the location /var/tmp. So in RHEL 6 version you can get the SOS log from the /tmp location. From Red Hat 7 version onwards the location will be on /var/tmp. Now I am going to press enter, and it will ask you to type the name of the administrator. For example, I am giving Vasant. Then press enter. Then after that it will ask you to type the case number, that is you have to give the service request number, so which you have raised with the Red Hat network. For example 12345, then enter. So once you gave the correct service request number, it will start collecting the SOS report. So let us wait. Yes, it's about to complete. So once it has completed, you can get that log. Yeah, it's creating the compress archive that format. Yes, see here. So once it has successfully completed, it is showing you can get the log from this location. So let me verify whether it is generated or not. Go to that location, then put the ls command. So you will see the report. So it is in the tar zip format. Sometimes the Red Hat engineers they will ask some additional plugin logs also. So for example, if you want to list what are all the plugins that you can use it with the SOS report command, we can use like this SOS report, then with the -l option you can list all the available plugins. Got it? So these are all the plugins. You can use it with the SOS report command. For example, the Red Hat engineer he is asking the plugin logs for the NFS server. Got it? So NFS server means we can use like this SOS report, and then with the -k option. So k is nothing but, so we can download the individual plugin SOS report with the help of the -k option, and then followed by the plugin called NFS server. So any plugin you can use it, and here I'm using the NFS server plugin. So when you enter, again the same thing, you have to press the enter key, then you have to give the name, then followed by the ticket number, then after that it will start collecting the NFS server plugin logs. So like this you can download the SOS report from the RHEL server, and you can upload the same with the Red Hat Engineer for further analysis. Thanks for watching.